Welcome to Cooking for Two, but probably one, with Redheaded Step Stacker. Now we're going to make some meals for those of you who are paying some lady to sit home alimony while she don't do nothing. And you're living in a 200 square foot closet size apartment. All right, my bed is literally within reach of my hand. Let's kick to it. Today we are evaluating the Prairie Belt smoked sausages. Let's look at the ingredients. We got mechanically separated chicken. Now, why is the word mechanically in the first position on ingredients? I don't know. Let's push through this. It's mechanically separated chicken, water, chicken skin, corn syrup, pork spleen. Now, pork spleen, I don't know offhand where that might be located, but it doesn't sound tasty. Which is probably why they added the salt, the mustard, spices, the paprika, and the natural flavors. Now, natural flavors, pork stomachs, and sodium triliposypolytics. I'm not even going to try. Let's just not tell my doctor what the ingredients are on the back of this can. It looks like this can is from 1963. We'll find out. Taking a pat of butter and adding it to a medium heat pan, but of course, based on the ingredients we just read, I don't think it hurts you anymore if you use motor oil. Then add the contents of the can marked Prairie Belt sausages. Now tell me, did it remind you when them little sausage fell out of the can, kind of like when you flip over a bucket full of fish? That's exactly what it looked like to me. So we're going to cover our little sausages and check up on them from time to time. Now, I do feel compelled to let everybody know that I did coat my stomach with a good dose of Pepto-Bismol before I cracked this can open. So let's inspect these little gut torpedoes. Well, that looks, it jumped off like a fish again. Disclaimer, I am not responsible for how long you are stuck in the latrine after trying this product. At this point, I am not sure that these pork sausages are deceased. It keeps jumping off my fork. Tastes like filet mignon. That tastes exactly like filet mignon. Get me some more of that. Well, I bathe these little sausages in barbecue sauce, and to be real honest with you, it didn't help much. It got a real chalky texture to it, like if you ground up some bones and added it to the sausages. Now, if I made you smile, I'd greatly appreciate a thumbs up. I appreciate your precious time. Come right back here, y'all. You hear? Over and out.